to update password on Ring. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can update your password on your Ring account. For that, open your Ring application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach the home page of your Ring application, here at the top left, you will find three horizontal lines. Click on it to access the menu. Within the menu, select Control Center here. After selecting it, you will be taken to this page. Here, click on Account Management and this window will appear. Here, scroll down and under Security, you will find Password option. Next to Password, you will also see Update option. Click on that Update option and you will be redirected to this page. Here, first you will have to verify your identity. Enter your password on this box. Then click on this Continue button. A code will be sent to your mobile number to verify. Wait for the code and once you receive the code, enter it in this box. Then click on Verify code. After successful verification, now you can enter your new password. Make sure you enter unique and strong password with a combination of uppercase, lowercase, symbols with at least 8 characters. Also, do not include your first, last or email username here. After you enter your new password, click on this Change Password option. Here again you will have to enter your email address and there you go, you have successfully updated your password on Ring application. Now log into your Ring account using your new password. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.